So over here, you can see that I have a blank presentation slide. So now by default, this is the title slide where I can insert my title. So I'm just going to go around and type in tutor 2, and then I'm going to add in a subtitle saying lessons at your convenience, just like this. So now what happens is that in order to add in a new slide, I can go on to the top left corner and click on the plus button right here. So once I do that, a new slide is added in. And then you can add in more content right here. So I can type it in and say more content, just like this. And I can keep doing this. I can keep the plus button, press the plus button right here, type in conclusion. Let's say, for example, more information. I'm just going to type in more information, just like that. Right, so I'm just going to add in C because that's an error. So you can see that I got 3 slides now, and that is how you can add in slides. So the first slide is the title slide where you have the title and the subtitle, and then you have the heading and then the content area. This is there by default. But if you want to add in a different layout, then what you can do is you can click on this small triangular button right besides the plus icon, and then you get more options. So you can add in another title slide over here, or you can go ahead and change it into a section header. So you can see that there is a title slide right here, there is a section header. So this is the one just with a header, so just header. And I'm going to add in, let's say for example, there's title and body, which is the default one for most of the slides, and then there's title and 2 columns, so you can have 2 in columns right here. You can go over here and add in title only. So if you want to add in pictures or graphs, this is a great way to go. And there's title 1 column text only, so right hand side is empty, as you can see right there. And then there's the main point, so you want to add in something like a quotation. This is quite helpful. There's like section title and description. You can add in description right here. There's the title and so forth. So you can see that there's different presets. There's like caption if you want to add in picture and caption. There's big number if you want to say something like 100% and so forth. You want to add in a subtitle. And there's blank slide that you can use so that you can create your own layout as well, which you're going to see in further lessons. And that is how you can add slides with different preset layouts inside of Google Slides to work with your contents. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.